touch of your skin when I hold you against mine. The sound of your voice in harmony with
sayang na yung lipstick nila eh.
this magic we feel can happen all the time. We'll run this race.
Love. I thank God for every second I share with you. Struggles are given, pero #power couple tayo, di ba? With God at the center of our relationship, walang makakapigil sa atin. Smile lang. May purpose lahat ng nangyayari. May God guide us all throughout our journey as husband and wife.
It's always been you. It's been you. It's always been you. It's been you. It's always been you. It's been you. It's always been you.
Sa akin yan?
TV yan ah.
Sa akin to? TV ba to?
iPhone 15 Pro Max fully paid. Oh my God.
The love that's in me was only made.
Hi, Ain! I am so blessed na ikaw ang magiging partner, asawa, best friend, and soulmate ko sa buhay forever. I am praying na sana mag-grow pa tayo spiritually, emotionally, and all of the aspects of life. Hindi ah! I love you. Sana napasaya kita today and mapasaya kita in more coming weeks.
Again and again, it's been you. It's always been you. It's been you. It's always been you. It's been you. It's always been you. It's been you.
Hi, Ain. I love you. Mahal na mahal kita. At maraming salamat dahil ikaw yung papakasalan ko, ikaw yung pangasawa ko. At sana ay pagpalain pa tayo ni Lord ng masasayang mga experience sa buhay.
Daddy, sana, alam mo yun, you're being the best man. Lagi naman, na lagi mo pinagpipray na maging best man ka for me, for Grace, and for everyone around you. And you are doing God's purpose na din. Sana continue lang. Ganon. Huwag kang magbabago. Sabi nga nila, di ba, power couple tayo. As long as God is the center of our relationship. And love na lang kita. Later!
Kumusta po, Mami? Masaya ka po ba ngayon?
Masaya yun.
Okay.
As in, hindi natin expected na.
Worth it yung pagod, tsaka po yan.
Worth it lahat. Kahit yung wedding.
Ang mahalaga na kasal na tayo, na dala kita sa harap ng altar. May basbas na tayo ng Panginoon.
Ang kanilang panalangin ang saring magpatatag sa inyong pagsasama bilang mag-asawa. Sapagkat tandaan ninyo, walang mahirap, walang imposible sa tulong at awa ng Diyos. Ruben, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Ain na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Ain, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Ruben na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Sabi ko nga, ikaw yung yung tao na lagi nag-pray to be better each day. May troubling times talaga, pero lagi mo tatandaan na ginawa ng Diyos ang babae para maging suporta ng lalaki. Nandito lang ako para sa'yo. Suportahan kita dun sa purpose na binigay ni God para sa'yo.